Alright guys, this video is to show you how to access your reading and your quizzes in Canvas. You're going to log in to your Rapid Identity account and you're going to go to Canvas. Your setup may look differently than this, just depends on how you have created your own settings. So you're going to find My Class, which is English 2 or English 1. For me, I'm going to be using this Sandbox course as an example. All right, you're going to click on Modules. All right, so the first part is the reading. If you click on Rage of Achilles, it should be at the top of your page. This is the first option to get to the reading. This scrolls very slowly. It takes its precious time. When you get here, you may have to authorize a Google login. It will tell you whether you need to do that or not. That was just a pop-up. If that was to come up, you would hit launch or activate or authorize, whatever it said. All right, here are the readings. You're going to scroll and it's going to open a different box for each PDF. Remember, there is a blank page after each page of reading, so you need to scroll down and see the rest of it. That is the first option for getting to the reading. If you click back to the modules page, again, this will be at the top of yours. I'm using a separate class. You need to click on use this link if you can't access the reading. Once you get here, you are going to see this gray page with the smiley, with the frowny face. You need to click on the white link at the top and it will open the Google Drive folder where you will see all the PDFs. My suggestion is to right click and click preview, and that gives you a page turner button. You can click this button on the side and it will load the pages as you go. When accessing your assignment, you're going to go back to the modules page, and under the Tuesday bracket, again, it's not shown here, under the Tuesday bracket, you will see ROA reading check. You're going to click on that. And then on your end, all right, so I had a bit of a snafu. I'm back. Okay, so you're going to click on ROA reading check. And you're going to get one of two screens. If you get this screen, then you're all good. It's already going to show you the assignment, and in this setting you have already signed in through Google. You'll have to click the blue link right here in order for it to enlarge on the page, so for you to get a full page that you can edit. The second portion, if you get this screen but it asks for you to authorize your Google account, you'll need to sign in, and then you will see this right here. Okay,